In this Crypto.com smartphone app tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Crypto.com, buy cryptocurrency, sell and withdraw crypto, and use the Crypto.com Earn and Supercharger features to earn some extra income on your crypto holdings. I'll leave all the timestamps for this video in the description alongside some other really helpful resources, so definitely check them out. Also, click the link in the description to go through to Crypto.com and sign up for an account where you can get started. Firstly, let's come to the sign up of Crypto.com. You're going to need a few things. One of them is an ID document. So if you have a driving license, a national ID card, or your passport, you're going to have to use that when you sign up. And just make sure that all the details on your ID documents match those on your bank accounts as well, because you're going to need to match them up and they will need to be the same if you want to transfer funds and fiat currencies in and out of Crypto.com. It took me a few days at least to get everything set up with Crypto.com, including waiting for them to authorize all of my documents were correct, so that may take a while for you as well. Once you are in the app though, we can come to the settings, which are really important. So we can come up to the left-hand side and then come to the settings of the app. You can change the payment currency. This will change how cryptocurrencies are valued. So you can actually change this into any of the currencies that you can see here, although I would suggest your own currency. I like to actually have all of cryptocurrencies valued in US dollars, but I'm in the UK and it's just easier for payments and everything to use British pounds. So I'm going to use that and press confirm. You can just tap anywhere to continue to take you back through to the settings page. And then you can set up two-factor authentication here. So we can just click on this. If you set this up, what will happen is that they'll send you a text message to your phone every time you do something important on the Crypto.com app. So if you want to send funds in or out or make a transaction or do anything, they'll actually send you a text message and then you have to confirm the code. Down in settings, we also have under permission the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and you can view this in the App Store. It's a crypto DeFi wallet, so it's actually not part of Crypto.com's centralized app, which we're using now, but it will give you some other blockchain services. And there will be some charges if you want to send crypto in and out of that, because you will be using the blockchain. Coming to the home screen then, you'll have your total balance right up here, and this will be valued in the currency that you choose in the settings. And then if you want to trade or transfer any currencies out, be it crypto or fiat currencies, you can do that very easily right here with these two options. But just moving down, we have some favorites right here. So if you go into a cryptocurrency, you can favorite it with this star, and then that will come into your favorites that you can keep an eye on very quickly. And then it will just give you the top gainers in the crypto market right here. And moving down, we have Supercharger, which I'll get onto later on in the video, and then some crypto news. You can flick through these important news articles to just keep up with the latest news in crypto. We can come through to the accounts tab first though, and there are many different accounts in Crypto.com. So you can see you have a crypto wallet right here, you have an exchange wallet, you have Crypto Earn, and then a fiat wallet as well. So firstly, the crypto wallet, this is where your cryptos will be held. So if you just click on this, you'll see that actually I have Crypto.com coin in here. You can then click on Crypto.com and it's going to take you right through to the trading screen. So we have CRO balance and I have 114 CRO on account. This is how much it's worth. Then you can come down and essentially see the price chart overall. But what we can do up here is essentially buy more CRO, sell that CRO, or transfer that CRO. So this goes for any other cryptocurrency. If it's Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, you can come right into this and then use these options, which I'll get onto later on in the video. Coming back out to the Crypto.com wallet though, we can go down to the exchange wallet. So if you click on this, it takes you right into the exchange. So if you want to be trading some cryptocurrencies, then they will all be shown here for you. Once you're in the exchange account, what you can go and do is scroll right down to the bottom and you can actually transfer funds to the exchange account. So we're going to click on this. Any cryptocurrencies that you have, you can transfer them in here. So let's just click on Crypto.com coin. And you can choose how many of each cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from one of your accounts into the exchange account. I can transfer this in then from crypto wallets. So the CRO coin is in my crypto wallet. You can see that right here. Then you can come down and just enter that amount, or you can choose max and that will transfer that in. Then I can just click on deposit and that will be transferred from my crypto account into my exchange account. So if you want to go ahead and trade, put it into your exchange account. I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to click X off of there. We come back into the exchange account, as you can see, and then we'll come back into the main accounts page. I'll get onto Crypto Earn a little later, but if you have any cryptocurrencies in your Crypto Earn account, which is one of the main benefits of having a Crypto.com account, because you can stake CRO and they give you lots of advantages and benefits, then you can obviously start earning now and then go into that. I'll get into that a little bit later. And then we have the fiat wallet right here, which we can click on. And as you can see, you can have different currencies in your Crypto.com account. So I have a euro balance here, and you can have a sterling balance and a US dollar balance. You can set up a new currency very easily. Click on set up new balance. You can see I've completed the options for euro, and then the pound sterling as well you can click on. This will be different depending on which country you're in, but you can see top up with GBP bank transfer. That will be US dollars if you're in the States. It will then give you an amount that you can actually put in per time. So you can go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Then you need your residential address. Now this is for UK residents. It might be slightly different if you're in a different country, but just enter your residential address as you can see here. This will obviously have to be the same as any payment details that you will want to use. So just enter all of that information, submit address, and that will go through and set up the account for you. And as you can see what I've done with the euro balance here, that will just come right here. So whatever balances you have, that will set up a new fiat balance for you. Coming out to the main menu once more, we can go to track coins. You can see that option down here. And this is really just an easy way to track all of the cryptocurrencies that you might be trading. You can see there are some starred here. Like I said, you can add a favorite. So you can click on Cardano. You can take this in and out of favorites. And then we have the chart right here. Now, this isn't the most in-depth charting software. So other services like Binance and KuCoin, you're going to get some quite good charting software. You can change the candlestick charts. You can put some technical analysis on the charts. In the Crypto.com app, it's really just a price chart that gives you some historical data and not a lot more. Then you can come down and see the market cap of the cryptocurrency, the exchanges that you can trade it on, including the 24-hour volume on that exchange, and some info about the cryptocurrency as well. So you can see number 6 in the market cap rankings, the market cap, and then go through to the actual website to get some more information about the specific cryptocurrency. You see all the coins here, and then you can add your favorites up at the top. So I'll show you exactly how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can actually come to this middle button. This gives you a lot of the shortcuts. So you can go into your crypto wallets right here. You can track, you can go into your fiat wallet. We'll talk about these in a second, but we can actually come down to buy cryptocurrencies. So let's just go click on buy, and it will take you straight through to the buy cryptocurrency page, and then you can go ahead. So let's actually go ahead and buy some Bitcoin right now. And it'll give you 3 options right here. The first is a credit card, and then you can go to your crypto wallet. This means that if you have other cryptocurrencies in your account, you can use them and sell them in order to buy a different cryptocurrency. So I have some CRO on account, and I can actually use that balance to sell against buying Bitcoin. So that's what that is. And then fiat wallet, you can use any fiat currencies that you have on account and have transferred in to buy a cryptocurrency. Firstly, what we can do with a credit card is we can add a credit or debit card down here. Very simply, just input the details of the card as you can see. So you can do that with your card, just like buying anything online. Coming out though, once that card is there, you can come and actually click on here and then choose how much Bitcoin that you want to buy. So I'm just going to put 0.005 like this. You can see it will give you an amount that you will actually pay when you enter your card details. If you have card details on account, this right here will just be a buy button that you can go ahead and use your credit card on. It's really exactly the same for crypto wallet and fiat wallet. If we go to crypto wallet, you'll see that I have crypto.com in my account available to use. If you have other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, any stable coins like US dollar Tether, they will all be listed here. Just click the one you want to sell in order to buy, in this case, Bitcoin. So I can click on crypto.com. That can come up here. You can see that 0.005 Bitcoin is around 1,381 CRO. I have 114 CRO on account. So what I can do is just add another 0. You can see it's matching up right now. I'm below the minimum limit of 181. You can obviously input the amount that you actually want to spend overall if you've got that on. When it comes to fiat balances, you'll see again, I've got euro, and you can add pound sterling or US dollars on there, and then just simply use that balance to go ahead, press the buy button, and you will buy. One of the downsides I have using crypto.com is that you can't really see the open market, and so you don't know that you're getting the absolute best rates for your transaction. It is a very simple way of buying cryptos though. I would compare it a little bit more to Coinbase in that it's very simple and you don't have all of the complicated market tabs like you would have in Binance, for example. If you want to transfer some fiat currencies into your account, you can come out of this, come up to the top and press transfer right here. You can then come down to deposit, and it will give you an option either to deposit crypto or to deposit fiat currency. Let's start with fiat currencies then. So we can click on fiat currency. You can set up a new currency here, or you can go with one that you've already added. I'm just going to click euros very simply to show you. This is now all of the information that you'll need to enter to make a bank transfer into crypto.com. You can see the IBAN here, the BIC or SWIFT code, the account holder name, which is your own name, the institution name, which is crypto.com's bank. Moving down, we have the bank institution address and the institution country. What you have to do is go into your banking app or go in online and enter these details, including the account holder name. That information will then be used in your banking application when you're sending a payment into crypto.com's bank. Coming out of here though, we can also actually transfer in cryptocurrencies. So we can go to deposit and then click on cryptocurrency right here. Then you have to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer into crypto.com. So I'm just going to use Tether as an example. What we have now is the deposit address for our crypto.com wallet that can be used with US dollar Tether. USDT in this regard is an Ethereum based token. So this is our address. Now each cryptocurrency will have a different address in your crypto.com account. So it's really important that you use the correct address. If I go onto my Binance trading account very quickly, I'll show you how to send a US dollar Tether payment. You can just simply go ahead and click withdraw in another app. You can then enter the wallet address as is shown in your crypto.com account. Paste that into the address that you're sending to, choose how much you want to send, and then just press send over. Another option, if you have another trading account or another wallet, is to simply use a phone and scan this QR code, and it will enter in all of the wallet details for you. You just have to choose how much you want to send into your crypto.com wallet. Next, we can come onto selling crypto. So if we come up to this option once more, we can then go into our crypto wallets. So any cryptocurrencies that you have on account, you can come and see them here. Then we can go to sell. So we can click on sell. You can see the cryptocurrencies that you have holdings of. So you can click on that one. Then you can sell the CRO. Now you can either sell it to a crypto. As you can see, you can sell it to all of these that are supported on crypto.com. So I can click on Bitcoin and it shows me that this is how much Bitcoin I can get for the amount of crypto.com coin that I have on my account right now. And that will change if I change to Ethereum. You can see I can only get 0.0117 of Ethereum for the amount of crypto.com coin that I have on account. And then if you want to go and actually sell to fiat currency, you can do that as well. So right now I have 114.29 CRO on my account, which is worth about 20 euros. You can change the fiat currency if you have them all down here. You can choose the one that you want. And then if you have enough to sell, you can actually just go and press sell and that will go through for you. If you have some cryptocurrencies that you want to send out of your app, so maybe to another trading account or to a decentralized wallet, come up and click transfer and then click withdraw right now. Now you can see you can actually send to other crypto.com users, which is a really easy way to send within crypto.com. You can send that right to the crypto.com exchange, the crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now, even though this is crypto.com branded, this is actually a decentralized wallet. And so you will be using the blockchain to make that transfer. So there might be some costs associated with using the blockchain to send that payment. And you can send to an external wallet as well, which is another brand. So if we click on external wallet right here, and what you need is the wallet address that you're sending to. So you can click on add wallet address. Then you need to go into that secondary application, find the wallet address, make sure you're choosing the right coin, and then you can go and enter that address right here. If you do want to send to a crypto.com user, you can come and press this option and allow it to access your contacts. And then you can search through your contacts and see if one of your friends maybe has a crypto.com account. It will be off chain, and I believe this is a free of charge transfer as long as it's within crypto.com. To make a fiat currency withdrawal from your crypto.com account, we can come into the fiat wallet. So if you have a balance in your fiat wallet, maybe you've sold some crypto and you want to take it out, make sure that that is in your fiat wallet right here. So you can click on fiat wallet and then you have the options what you can do with your fiat currency. There isn't a withdraw button here, so it might be quite confusing for you. You can come over to transfer. So you click this one, and then at the bottom, you have a couple of options, either deposit fiat into your fiat wallet or withdraw. So let's click on withdraw, and then you can actually choose the currencies that you have on account and that you've set up. We'll click on the currency that I have set up then, so we can go to euro, and then you get these options. You can see that due to government regulations, we are not permitted to transfer funds back to your account unless you first deposit euros via a separate network from the same account. Now, this is only specific to euros in Europe. I'm not in Europe, I'm in the UK with pound sterling, and your country will be different in terms of the network that you use to send and the currency. However, most countries have a regulation whereby you're going to need to send and receive from the same bank account into your crypto.com. So you first have to deposit money into your account, and then that is the bank where you transfer money back out. And you can simply go and deposit now if you haven't made those transfers. If you have made those transfers, there'll be this option here to withdraw, and you can't choose the withdrawal account. It has to be the same one as the bank that transferred funds in the first place. This is obviously to prevent money laundering because, of course, you have to set up the bank with the same details as you sign up with crypto.com. So it's just a security procedure to prevent money laundering. But that is how you go and withdraw fiat currencies once you've sold to fiat currency with your crypto.com exchange account. Next up on crypto.com, there's actually a pay service. So we're going to come right to the home. You can see pay up here. Crypto.com allows you to pay using cryptocurrencies in the app. There are some shopping options in here, but you can press this scan. And if someone accepts cryptocurrency payments, then you can use the crypto in your account to scan QR codes and pay them. You can also buy gift cards, as you can see here, and get a lot of discounts if you have CRO staked in your crypto.com account. You can see 310 brands and over 300,000 shops do support this. You can get some cash back and some other deals with crypto.com pay only if you have CRO staked. You can also top up your phone and other people's phone and actually pay with cryptocurrency as well, and also get some discounts. And also another good benefits package with crypto.com is the card. A lot of people sign up to crypto.com specifically because they want to use one of these cards. So again, depending on how much CRO you actually have staked on account, you can get a lot of privileges. Right now, Midnight Blue is giving around 1% cash back on purchases. Now, if we keep going up the rankings, you'll see that you get more cash back and also more incentives and rewards as well. But you do have to have CRO staked on account. So to get the Ruby Steel, you need to have £300 worth of CRO staked on your account for 180 days. That will change if you're in US dollars. And as we go up, you'll see that the amount of CRO does change. You need 3,000 for the Jade Green, and then going up here, you need 30,000 for the Icy White. But you can see a lot of the benefits of the card. You get 0 fee ATM withdrawals. There are also a lot of other incentives as well. You can see here, you get Netflix, Expedia reimbursements, airport lounge, and a load of other incentives, including 5% cash back, but that is paid in CRO into your account as well. So it's up to you if you want to get into this ecosystem. I do want to also touch on Supercharger and Earn in the app as well. So we can come down here and we can click on Supercharger. You can see Supercharger is a simple, flexible, and secure liquidity mining platform. Essentially what this does is enable you to earn rewards based on the amount of CRO you have on account. You can see there's no lockup here. And then you can earn other tokens and rewards for 30 days. There's a 30-day charging period, and you can see you are rewarded daily. There are many good rewards with Supercharger. So as we come into Supercharger, you can see right now Engine Coin is here, and you get a 14.79% yield. Crypto.com have $2 million of allocation of this coin. So essentially what this does is you put CRO on account, and then you will actually get rewards of Engine Coin. An estimated yield of around 15% I think is actually quite beneficial. Engine Coin is a fairly large and well-known cryptocurrency. So essentially putting CRO on your account and getting a free amount of Engine Coin in a 15% yield may actually be a good deal for a lot of people. This is something you can view, and there are different events. So there's been events in Engine Coin and Dodge and Zilliqa and even Bitcoin and Polkadot. This is a way essentially for you to earn rewards based on the amount of CRO that you have staked on crypto.com. All in all, the rewards on CRO staking and all of the rewards that crypto.com give you are fairly competitive, and it's definitely one of the selling points and why people do gravitate towards crypto.com. If you do want to sign up for a crypto.com trading account, then I'll leave the link in the description below. You can get up to a $50 bonus when you sign up if you do stake some CRO straight away. You can see all the details if you click the link and go through to the sign up page. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily helpful cryptocurrency content, and I'll see you in the next one.